ulo nyo.
Okay,
Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to Mariel and Jun's wedding reception. Thank you for taking time to be part of this journey of love, especially to those who traveled for so many miles. Like that. Or to those who took a leave of absence, like Nene. Like leave back. Ladies and gentlemen, friends and loved ones, the newlyweds extend their heartfelt gratitude to all of you to celebrate their new life as a couple. So sit down, relax, and enjoy the rest of the afternoon. I am John, and I will be your host. Okay. First of all, I have a question. How well do you know the bride and the groom? So, magkakaroon tayo ng trivia game muna. So, kung sinong, may mga few questions tayo. Tapos, malalaman natin kung gano'n kilala yung bride and groom. So,
Wala mang bride lang. Ako lang
okay, bride lang muna.
Bride lang. Ako na muna.
Ikot ako.
sino ba? Ano bang tanong?
Ikaw mag-isa pa. Gano'n ko nakalala si Inday? Paano ko nakalala si
Hindi,
Inday?
kailan nag-start?
Mali, bakit ko pa nakalala si Inday?
Nagtatanong yung
Sa pagkakakilala nyo, kahit pagkakaalala nyo, kailan sila nag-start sa couple?
Hi guys! Good afternoon! Wala pa kayong mga kamay dyan? Kahit iilan lang tayo. Anong tanong?
Kailan sila nag-start sa couple?
Hindi ko matandaan eh. Bigla na lang kasi pinakilala sa amin ni Inday si June.
Kailan? Ano, kailan yung first?
Oo.
First pala, first na dinala ko si
Nung, alam ko ano eh, nung parang may celebration kila Ruby, tapos sinama mo siya. Hindi ko ganun maaalala.
Ay, oo.
Oo. Tapos, oo, December. Tapos kalbo pa si June nun. Yun yung unang pamit niya sa amin. Sikat ko naman si Sharon sikat eh, kasi nasa
Next
Pangasinan.
question. Sa tingin mo ka, ano nagustuhan ni John kay Inday?
Hindi ko din alam.
Ako na magsasabi! Bes! Ako nagsabi, bunga nga.
Parang tatanungin ko din si Jun dyan.
Okay, sige.
Siyempre maganda si Inday. Oo, nagtanong.
Alam ko na yung nagustuhan. Pagkakulot.
Ay, ako yung ano yan, chicks yung dati si Inday.
Yes.
Okay, thank you so much. So, now, as I call your names, please stand up for a few seconds so all of our guests can recognize you. Ladies and gentlemen, it is with great honor and gratitude that we now introduce to you the young at heart and spirit, the gracious and generous, the principal sponsor, Mama Gina.
Mamaya magpasalamat ka sa catering mo.
Okay, thank you so much. Now let us recognize the parents of the couple. Mr. and Mrs.
Yung ano na lang, wish. Wish.
Mamaya na yun.
Ako may pa ba yun? Excited sa wish?
Introduction lang.
Ano sasabihin? Dahlia, saka Rene.
Wait, grabe, nabangsan niya nga. Ano
Rene.
yung tutok mo doon? Ay, ganun ba yun?
Let us recognize the parents of the couple, Mrs. Nadia and Mr. Rene.
Yay! Bakit?
Tinatanggal mo yung hindi yung rose. Yung flower girls. Hindi yung flower girls.
Hoy, wag, Wag! Lalaroin niya yan. Sabi sa'yo, iahan. Ha? Ano surname mo? Ali... Aligayen.
At this point, may we request the lights to be dimmed.
May patay mo na ilong ah. Yan.
And let us focus on the video wall.
Ay, walang video, babe.
Oo nga eh.
Today calls for a grand celebration, and it is my distinct pleasure to introduce them to you for the very first time. Tonight,
Wait kami nakatok. Break time, break time.
Ayun na ako.
May cake.